Introducing Reconzo, your automated reconciliation platform for fast-growing D2C brands and e-commerce businesses. Reconzo connects directly with your platforms through APIs and automation, bringing all your orders, payouts, returns, fees, and inventory into one unified dashboard, automatically and generate accurate, ready-to-post financial entries. Reconcile every payment, automatically detect mismatches instantly and get a clear view of settlements, profitability at SKU or at a daily level. Reconcile marketplace fees, deductions, commissions, and courier charges automatically. File claims for incorrect invoicing, lost or damaged items across logistics partners. No more leaving money on the table. Stay synced with returns and inventory across every channel, automatically and in real time. With Reconzo, finance teams cut manual work by 80%, eliminate up to 10% revenue leakage, and gain real-time control, so your business can scale with confidence. The future is automation. Take the first step toward clean, accurate, automated reconciliation and real-time financial visibility. Book your personalized live demo today at reconzo.com.